Hey there, number ninjas. Have you ever wondered why numbers sometimes look different? Why does your computer use strange ones and zeros while you use the good digits 0 to 9 for everything? Well, buckle up because today we're going to explore the world of number systems. And guess what? Number systems are like different languages spoken by numbers in different places. Okay, picture this. Imagine you're going to a new country where people don't speak the same language as you. Instead of talking in English, they might talk in French, Spanish, or even a totally different language. Guess what? Numbers do the same thing. There are different number systems or number languages depending on where you are. So just like how you need to learn new languages when you travel to different places, you need to learn different number systems depending on what you're doing. Let's meet some of these number languages. First up, we've got the most common language, the decimal language. This is the English of number systems and we use it everywhere. You've probably used it a billion times today when counting, shopping, or even playing games. Decimals use 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Bruh.
It's like a super popular language everyone speaks in the world because 10 is our base, just like how we have 10 fingers.
You didn't have to cut me off. I could never know we were nothing.
So, alright, math detectives, here's a mystery for you. You've seen it before, right? A switch. You know the ones you flip on and off, like the light switch in your room. It's a simple thing, but there's something strange about them. If you look closely, they all have this weird symbol, a line and a circle. What's the deal with that line and circle? Why does a simple switch need two options? Why not just one, or three, or 1,000? And how does something as simple as a switch tie into the language of the world's most powerful computers? You see, every time you flip a switch, there's only one of the two possibilities. Either it's on or it's off, a 1 or a 0. But what does this really mean? How does just two numbers make sense of the whole world of technology, games, and the internet? Next, we have Octal. It's like binary's cool cousin. Octal uses 8 digits, 0 through 7. It's a shortcut language used to make things easier when dealing with computers. Imagine you're trying to decode a huge binary number, but Octal is there to help make it fast and simple. It's like when you speak English at home but use shortcuts when texting your friends, like lol or thanks. And now let's talk about hexadecimal, the fancy language of base 16. This one is a bit like mixing math with letters. Instead of just digits, hexadecimal uses the letter A, B, C, D, E, and F. So after 9, you get A, which means 10, B means 11, and so on. Hexadecimal is like the super fancy version of binary, often used by programmers when they're working on computer programs. Now let's answer the mystery. That's right. We're talking about binary, the secret language of computers. It's so powerful because it only needs two symbols, the 1, the circle, and the 0, the line. That's it. It's like the ultimate shortcut to everything computers do. Yes, binary uses just two digits, but with those, it can turn into a language that controls everything. Whether you're playing your favorite video game, watching a movie, or even talking to a friend on a computer, binary is the one making it all happen. Okay, now that we've learned some number systems, let's meet some of the cool number types you'll find along the way. They all speak their own language in math and each one has a special job. First, we've got natural numbers, the counting superstars. These numbers start from 1 and go on forever. You use them every day when counting things like toys, candies, or how many points you scored in a game. Now, meet whole numbers. These guys are just like natural numbers, but with one extra special guest, 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on forever. Now let's say hello to integers. Integers speak the language of both positive and negative numbers. So we've got numbers like -5, -4, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and they can go on forever. Integers are awesome when you're measuring things like temperature. It's cold at -10 Celsius, but warm at +10 Celsius, or when your game score goes below 0. So now say hello to the rational numbers. These numbers are super friendly because they can be written as fractions like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, or 5 by 8. They love to help out when you need to break something into parts, like cutting a pizza into slices. Then there are the irrational numbers. They're a bit mysterious. They never end and never repeat, like pi or the root of 2. They go on forever without stopping. So our friend pi, we already know that pi is a mysterious, never-ending number. It's like trying to read a book that never finishes. In fact, a person wrote a whole book, but still he wasn't able to fit the pie in his book, and it just goes on forever. So there you have it. Number explorers, just like languages, number systems, and number types are all around us, helping us to make sense of the world in different ways. Now that you know how numbers speak in different languages, you'll be able to decode and understand anything from computer code to pizza slices. So go ahead and keep exploring the world of numbers. You never know what you'll discover next.